Hello.
My name is Jimmy McRussell, and I'm here to tell you about a mental disorder that's really sick. What if I were to tell you there's a way you could taste color, smell sound, and hear shapes without getting high off LSD? It's true. It's called synesthesia, and no, it's not the dankest new weed all the kids are doing. Inhale. It's actually a mental disorder. Kind of. Scientists seem hesitant to label it a disorder because it doesn't really have any negative effects. What is synesthesia? Sinus Twizzler? I don't know, man. Synesthesia is a brain thing that mixes and scrambles your five senses, meaning you could taste shapes and hear smells and the like. So if anyone ever tells you you smell like a rectangle and sound orange, they may have synesthesia. But you know, synesthesia it's pretty rare, so it's more likely he's high and you should probably call the police. Do I know of anyone with synesthesia? Probably not personally, but a lot of famous people have synesthesia. People like Eddie Van Halen, Pharrell Williams, Billy Joel, Mary J. Blige, and Vincent Van Gogh. How do it do? Alright, man, I am no scientist, so here is a clip from a video Hank Green did on the subject.
What are these people's brains up to? One idea is that it might be a defect in the neural structure. Scientists theorize that we're born with our senses sort of all tangled up, and then over time, our brains shut down the neural bridges between our senses, so we experience them separately. But synesthetes might not be properly shutting down those bridges, making their lives a little bit trippier than everybody else's. Another theory suggests that synesthesia is caused by neurochemistry. Our neurons communicate with each other through chemicals called neurotransmitters, so it could be that synesthetes have neurotransmitters meant for one part of the brain way over in a different part, or they could lack chemicals called inhibitors that help keep neurotransmitters in check. This would explain why a lot of synesthetes have different sensory experiences when they're really tired or really hungry, or why it happens to people on hallucinogenic drugs. And of course, because our brains are complicated places, it could also be a combination of all of these things. For now, synesthesia is yet another thing that we don't completely understand about the delicious, amazing things that are our brain.
Thanks, Hank. What does it look like? There are a few videos on the tubes that sort of show what it's like. I don't know how accurate this one is, but it seems to be from a dude with synesthesia, so I'll say it's close enough.
Do you hear what I hear? Do you get what I get?
Well, that's pretty cool.